Insidious recurrent biatrial myxomas in Carney complex with a paucisymptomatic spinal melanotic schwannoma. Advocacy for a rigorous multidisciplinary follow-up to prevent dire complications. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Carney complex, CNC, is a rare autosomal syndrome resulting from either a dominant inheritance or a sporadic occurrence as a de novo genetic defect. CNC is characterized by a multiple neoplasia syndrome featuring myxomas of the heart, breast nipples, bone, skin, and mucosae and endocrine and non-endocrine, cutaneous, and neural tumors, as well as a variety of abnormal skin pigmentation and a predisposition to cancers such as thyroid, ovaries, pancreas, and liver. A 31-year-old female patient with a previous history of Carney complex and surgical resection for cardiac myxoma and bilateral adrenalectomy at 18 years old and 10 and 11 years old, respectively, was referred to our department with a diagnosis of recurrent biatrial myxomas incidentally discovered on echography. A magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, confirmed the diagnosis of a tumor protruding into the left ventricle, and the patient underwent a surgical resection of a large left atrial mass and a small right-sided atrial tumor. The atrial mass was incidentally discovered by echography. Diagnosis of bilateral atrial myxomas was confirmed by histologic studies. Post-operative outcome was uneventful, and the patient was discharged on the 7th post-operative day. A few months later, she reported trivial clinical symptoms, suspecting a cervical radiculopathy. MRI confirmed the presence of a compressive cervical spinal cord tumoral mass at the C2-3 level, leading to a surgical excision of the tumor. Histology showed a spinal melanotic schwannoma. At 48-month follow-up, the patient is in good condition and regular echographic follow-up showed a 60% LVEF with neither recurrence of cardiac myxomas nor valve disease. A recent cerebral MRI revealed a normal pituitary gland without any tumoral patterns. This case highlights the risk of unexpected ubiquitary tumor locations and the importance of a rigorous transversal multidisciplinary follow-up to prevent severe complications in patients with Carney complex. Introduction. Carney complex, CNC, is a rare genetic disorder that can be inherited or appear randomly. It was first identified in 1985 and has been found in people of all backgrounds around the world. CNC mainly affects young adults and is more common in women. The condition causes the growth of non-cancerous tumors in different parts of the body, including the heart, skin, and endocrine glands, and can lead to unusual skin pigmentation. It also increases the risk of developing certain cancers, such as in the thyroid, ovaries, pancreas, and liver. Symptoms can appear at birth or develop gradually, especially in those with new, non-inherited mutations. Regular medical checkups are essential to catch new tumors early and prevent serious health issues. This report discusses a 31-year-old woman with CNC and a recurring heart tumor, focusing on how her condition was managed and what ongoing care is recommended. Conclusions. This case emphasized the importance of early diagnosis of CNC as well as education of patients to improve life expectancy. Rigorous guidelines for a transversal multidisciplinary follow-up are crucial since failure in follow-up may have dismal consequences. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.